Foods that are bad for kidneys. If there's a problem with your kidneys, avoiding certain foods in your diet helps improve kidney function and prevent further damage. The right diet depends on the type and stage of the problem. But there are some popular foods that doctors consider to be bad for anyone who has kidney problem. You don't need to cut these foods out completely, but neither should you include them in large amounts in your daily diet. 1. Dark-colored cola drinks. These are high in calories and sugar, along with additives that contain phosphorus. Too much phosphorus harms kidneys. 2. Avocados and bananas. Both of these are rich sources of potassium. You need potassium, but there can be too much of a good thing where this mineral is concerned. 3. Canned foods. Most canned foods can contain a lot of salt as a preservative to increase their shelf life. Like potassium and phosphorus, too much sodium is bad for kidneys. 4. Whole wheat bread. The more bran and whole grains in the bread, the more phosphorus and potassium it contains. 5. Brown rice. Limit this food because it is also high in phosphorus and potassium. 6. Dairy. A lot of dairy eaten with other phosphorus-rich foods can be detrimental to bone health in those with kidney disease. 7. Oranges and juice. Great for vitamin C, but too rich in potassium for someone with kidney trouble. 8. Processed meats. Processed meats are meats that have been salted, dried, cured or canned. It is not only high in sodium but also high in animal protein which strains kidney processes. 9. Pickles, olives and relish. All are examples of cured or pickled foods where large amounts of salt are added during the curing. 10. Tomatoes, potatoes and sweet potatoes. These too are high in potassium and kidneys diseased patients should eat them only in small amounts and should not be eaten at the same time as other high potassium foods. 11. Swiss chard, spinach and beets. Normally, these are among the healthiest foods most people eat, but they contain amounts of potassium. 12. Chips and crackers. It is easy to binge on these, but they lack nutrients and are relatively high in salt. 13. Packaged, instant and pre-made meals. These are major source of sodium in the average diet. Frozen pizza, microwavable meals and instant noodles are usually most heavily processed, therefore contain the most sodium. The goal of this video has been to provide quick and basic answers to the question, what foods are bad for kidneys? But remember, you should always rely only on a health professional's advice related to your health or diet.
There are many natural therapies available. Combined with appropriate dietary and lifestyle changes, you can both reverse kidney damage and protect from further damage to your kidneys in the future. Get an effective step-by-step program proven to start healing your kidneys today. Take action by clicking the link below. You'd be surprised how well this works.
If you're ready to take action, click on the link below this video now.